On the 11th of July 2026, officers in Florida responded to a hotel room after a reported domestic disturbance.
How you doing? So what's going on?
Okay, so I was up in my room and I'm with my boyfriend. We were listening to music and like just hanging out, and then a random number called, and it was a guy that doesn't like him. So he started talking shit, and of course my boyfriend answered, and he wouldn't let me take my phone. He destroyed my phone, and then he took me and he threw me across the room.
He destroyed your phone?
He destroyed it.
And where's your phone at?
It's in the room.
Let me see your hands. What happened to your fingers?
He threw me, and I don't know, I guess something cut it, but he literally threw me. And I asked him for my phone back, and he wouldn't give it back. And then I luckily got my stuff, but I'm pretty sure there's some stuff in the room still.
So there was an argument because
a guy called and he answered my phone. So he took it and he destroyed it. My phone's in there.
And who's the guy that called?
I have someone I met tonight, just
random?
Nothing, yeah.
Okay. Did he hit you anywhere or anything like that? Where did he hit you?
He just pushed me, and I went across the bed, and I tumbled, and then I got up, and my hand was cut.
So he pushed you, and then you kind of pushed you across
and
the
then
bed.
He threw my stuff out, and he was like, "You can leave," and I said, "Okay." And then he went like this with my phone, and then he crushed it on the.
Okay, is this everything that you own?
I think so. I'm pretty sure I still have some stuff in there.
Okay. Did you start packing, and then he was? Where was he at the time?
Taking my phone.
Okay. All right. Do you have any marks around your neck or anything like that?
He was holding me like this.
What?
Because I said, I'm going to go to the lobby and call the cops.
He grabbed you by the neck? And when did he grab you by the neck?
It was on the floor. He pushed me to the floor, and he was grabbing me by the neck.
Okay, so when he pushed you first, right? You said he pushed you. You went across the bed, right? And then was it after that when he was on the ground?
Yeah, and he was like, "You're talking to other." Yeah.
So.
And then he was holding me like
holding you like that by his neck.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have ID on you?
I think.
What room is it? 1204.
Can we get a key?
You got the key? You got the key?
I think he has. Yeah, he has my Chanel purse.
What's his name?
Robert.
Robert?
He by Jay. Yeah. Yeah, he has my purse.
Okay.
And has my ID.
Okay. The room is under whose name?
His, but I'm on it.
The reservation is under Robert.
So her name.
He did put me on it. I made sure.
Her name's not on there too then? It's just solely under his?
Under his.
Just under his. Okay. Do me a favor. Just wait right here, okay?
Hello, Key West Police Department.
Key West Police Department.
Hey, don't step out.
Go ahead and step up for me.
You have any,
Come on.
No, I don't have anything on.
What's going on? What's your name, boss?
Make sure I have my key, my room key. Robert? So you kicked your girlfriend out? Yeah, I told her she had to
Do me a
leave.
favor. Step over here.
I don't know if I don't have my room key.
It's okay.
Okay.
Figure it out.
We'll keep it open. Where's her phone at?
I don't have it. She took all her stuff and left.
Okay.
That's not.
She doesn't have her phone or her purse.
Well, I don't have it either. You can search me.
Mind if I take a
No,
look?
go ahead. I ain't got nothing to hide.
So talk to us. What happened?
She started getting physical with me. I just asked her to leave. It happens every time we go out of town. I paid $10,000 to come on vacation. I'm just asking her to get out there.
So she started to get physical with you?
Yeah,
Where?
these are from last week. I mean, this one was from Miami. She stabbed the shit out of me, and it was a huge ass bruise.
Right.
I'm just.
You can see your ear here. You got some.
Yeah, I
She
know.
hit you in the ear or something?
Probably. Shit, she busted my lip, everything.
Yeah.
I just don't want her. I don't want anything physical. I just ask her to leave.
So what happened tonight? Like, not what happened in Miami last week or 2 months ago. What happened tonight?
We came back. I mean, I wasn't really being intimidated to her. Like she wanted me to. She wanted to ask. I did not want to ask her because some dude called her on her phone. She tried to hide her phone. She has her phone, and the dude. She answered it. She's like, "You can answer it." I swiped left. He's like, "Oh, remember when you topped me off last night?" And I was like, "Can you please leave? Can you just please leave? I'm not paying $300 for this room for you to be out there when I came home early and somebody over here calling you, telling you just top me off. You know what top me off means?
No.
That means you just got.
Right.
So I told her just leave. I told her pack your stuff. I didn't touch any of her stuff. Her phone's probably in her suitcase.
Right.
Yeah, like I
So how you have blood all over you?
These are from Houston.
This is your blood or her blood?
It's probably my blood. My blood
Let's see
buster.
your lip.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Let's see your ear there. It's got blood on it.
Yeah, I mean, $300. I'm not trying to.
Then you got blood in the back.
Yeah, it's probably from her smacking me and her nail broke, and it probably busted all over my ear. I got nothing on except for all her bruises. I got one right here too from last week.
Yeah, we're just talking about tonight. What happened?
Yeah,
tonight?
no, I'm just trying to tell you about what
So the argument ensued over
somebody calling her and she topped him off.
Were you guys
So I
not
told her
together
to-
last night?
No, we were, and then we separated. But
Why-
I came back to the room because I was a little too drunk.
Yeah, so,
When she gets back, she's trying to get all on me, and I was like, you smell like cologne. Somebody calls her, it's another dude. She said, answer it. I was like, hey, what's up, bro? He's like, what's up, bro?
Right.
He's like, your girl was just topping me off in the car. I was like, all right, get out, please. Just get out, please. So she starts getting all up on me, and there's nothing wrong. I don't have her phone.
And so that happened tonight. So she got home smelling like cologne.
No, but she didn't get home smelling like cologne. Like, I didn't care about the cologne.
Yeah.
She's at the club. She's out, like, on Wall Street.
Yeah.
I might smell like perfume.
What's in your bag? Is that your backpack?
Yeah, that's my bag.
What's in your backpack?
All my clothes.
All your clothes?
Yeah.
You mind if I look in there to see if you
Go
got?
ahead. You can search everything.
So you guys are from Texas, Robert?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm not drunk. I wish I was.
You smell like you got alcohol in your
Yeah,
breath.
no, we've been drinking, but I drink a lot.
Seem very intoxicated.
Yeah, no.
No, that's what I'm saying. She likes to drink.
Yeah,
Alright.
she's more drunk
Buy
than
me
you
sir,
are.
buy me sir, buy me sir. Dude, we've been here for 5 days. I spent $8,000. I'm like, I'm stressed out about the money.
What happened when you found out? So that guy called, right? He said, whatever. She
I
gave
just
him a
asked her to
blowjob.
leave. She
You just
started
asked her to
slapping
leave.
and shouting at me. She said, I'm not talking to anybody. I'm not talking. You talked to your ex. You had your ex in the car the other day. I'm like, that's the other day. We're over here in Key West. Like, forget about drop it. I want her to stay here, but I can't have her stay here. I'll get her another room right here down the hallway because I feel bad. But I'm not gonna put up with that shit. Like
So you were
another
trying to
dude
get her to
calling.
leave, and she just sort of.
Yeah, it's always like that. Look at her hands. Her nails are so long. I didn't peel them off. She over here getting so aggressive. Am I getting kicked out the hotel?
We're trying to find her everything.
That's not up to us.
God damn.
That's not up to us. That's up to the hotel. So bottom line, and I kind of heard you too, right? So somebody called her phone. You answered the phone. It was another dude.
Like she's literally on top of me. She's like riding me. Somebody called her phone. It's
What do you
3
mean
o'clock.
she's riding you?
We're having.
Okay. All
Somebody
right. So
calls
you
her
get
phone. It's 3 o'clock in the morning.
right, and then okay. While that is happening,
Yeah.
while
She
that
takes
is
her phone. I say answer it. She said we'll answer it right now. He's like, you remember when you gave me top in the car? I was like, Melissa, get out. Please get out. Just get out. She starts packing all of her stuff up in a hurry. Probably trying to go meet him. Go ahead, go meet him. I got my own room. I don't know where homeboys stand. That's where she's probably going. I'm telling you, I will get her a room.
How did her phone end up like this?
Probably she throwing it. I thought it was in her damn car.
Okay,
I mean, in her suitcase.
It was over there, but she said her phone wasn't like this.
Look at my phone. Where's my phone?
Over there somewhere.
Find my phone. Look, see what it looks like. She probably both of them up, trying to set me up.
The phone don't look like it's messed up or anything.
It's not.
No.
Can you take a picture with it?
Yeah. Why?
You can.
Yeah.
Take a picture of it. Take a picture of your feet.
So he smashed it. She
So
smashed her
he's,
phone.
I think it was on his right knee. I don't know. I was like,
Whatever.
yeah.
Left, right.
So, and then I saw it got shattered. This isn't the first time he shattered a phone. And then he took it to the desk where the phone or the TV's at, and he smashed it on there.
Okay. And
And then I said, "Where is it?" And he,
what kind of phone? It's like
It's an iPhone.
Oh, iPhone. Okay.
4 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. So, were there any kind of pushing, shoving going on?
Oh no, yeah, I got slapped a couple times.
You got slapped a couple times.
I might have a tooth missing.
So there was shoving going on between both of y'all.
No.
Shoving, slapping, whatever. the
Between
case may
both,
be.
now you're making assumptions.
Oh,
It was
I'm
between
asking,
her.
I'm
No,
asking, I'm not
okay, I'm
making
telling
assumptions.
you. I'm telling you, it was between me and her. She was pushing me.
Okay. What you're saying is your side of the story. All right, I am not.
Yeah, there's three sides of the story. There's hers, mine, and the truth. There's no cameras in here.
So you're not telling me the truth.
I am telling you the truth.
You
Why
just
would I lie?
You just said the three sided story. Yours, hers, and the truth.
Exactly.
So you're not telling me the truth?
I am telling you the truth.
How long did you plan on staying here?
Until Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay.
But he told me that I was on the reservation and I'm not. But luckily I met these nice people, so I'm probably just gonna go stay in their room.
All right. Well, stay with me before you
Okay,
leave to
that's
other
fine.
rooms.
Yeah.
So
I just
told
you, look at my phone. You think I would bust my phone up like that?
I have no idea.
Okay, so you're coming at me for a busted up phone. It's like I got a busted up phone too. Where's my phone?
I have no idea. Your phone's over there. I put it back where it was.
Okay, thank you, but I can't even take a picture with my phone.
Okay. How did I know that wasn't like that before?
I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna tell you yes or no.
Okay, but like for somebody that knew that your phone couldn't take pictures, if it was busted up,
I tried to record her
know
going
that?
crazy. All right, I tried to record her going crazy. I couldn't record it because my shit was thrown around on the damn floor right here.
So is this your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Is this a hookup? What is
Boyfriend.
this? It's your boyfriend. How long have you guys been together?
Like 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Do you know he's come down here before?
No.
Have
This
you
is
been
his
down
first time.
here?
Yes.
Have you been down here
No,
with
yeah.
him before?
No.
Do you know that he's been down here before?
No. Wait.
No?
No.
Causing issues in hotels, fighting? No?
No.
Okay. Just a question. It happened earlier this year.
How long you guys got the room for?
I'm supposed to have it till Sunday.
Okay.
I am.
I understand that. I get that.
I mean, if she can calm down, I know y'all not gonna let her back in the room, but if she can calm down, I'll get her another room. I do not care about that. Like, this is supposed to be a relaxing vacation.
Yeah. But,
it's-
but this is what's going to happen. All right? Do me a favor. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put cuffs on her.
What do I do?
Both of you are going to jail for battery. All right? Because your story is one, her story is another side. There's obviously there's blood or whatever. All right?
It's my blood. It's leaking from me.
Okay, but the thing is, she's saying you pushed her. You're saying she slapped her. I don't know what's the truth. All right, in Florida, domestic violence, we don't play around with that.
I understand
All right,
that.
we don't play around with that. So what's going to happen is both of y'all are going to go to jail for battery. All right, because we don't know who to believe. So when we don't know what the truth is, both of y'all go.
Can I get my phone though?
Yeah, you'll get your phone.
And I guess she's gonna go into the room with these people right here.
Is he gonna go into their room?
His story kind of lines, if that's true.
You're kind of seeing this as
It's still domestic. 2 years, boyfriend, girlfriend.
yeah.
How long do you think I'll be in here? Day two?
I'm not sure, sir.
Take both of them. Put her in cuffs.
You gotta put your arms behind your back.
Why? What? Why am I being arrested?
This is your phone and this is your purse, right?
What?
Okay.
What?
Ma'am, both of y'all, all right? He's saying you hit him.
I didn't.
Okay, listen. He's got some marks on his face. You got some marks on your body, all right? In Florida, we don't mess around when it comes to domestic violence. You guys are both in a relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend, all right? We don't know who's telling the truth, okay? But what we do know for a fact is there was some kind of altercation, all right? There's a push, shoving, slap, whatever. I get it, I understand it, but at the end of the day, we do not play around with domestic violence. So both of you are going to jail. You guys are going to go to arraignment in the morning, and you guys are going to sit in front of a judge, and the judge is going to decide. All right? So this is what's going to happen. Your suitcase and this bag is going to go back up in the room, 12:04. All right? You guys got the room to Sunday, correct? Your purse and your phone is going to go with you to the jail. Okay?
Under Florida Statute Section 784.03, battery only requires an unwanted touching or contact intended to cause harm, not a serious injury. Florida Statute Section 901.157 lets officers make a warrantless arrest for domestic battery based on probable cause alone, even without witnessing the act themselves. Under Illinois versus Gates, that probable cause standard only requires a reasonable belief a crime occurred, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt, a bar the visible injuries on both people clearly met. But Florida Statute Section 741.2901 asks officers to identify a primary aggressor, first, weighing injury severity, size, history, and any self-defense claim, specifically to avoid arresting both parties by default. Nothing on this footage shows that weighing process taking place before the arrest decision was made. The male subject's consent to a search of his person and backpack was voluntary, which under Schneckloth versus Bustamante removes any warrant requirement for that portion of the encounter. No Miranda warning was given, but under Berkemer versus McCarty, on-scene investigatory questioning before an arrest generally doesn't require one. Both individuals were ultimately charged with battery, and the case remains pending, with no further outcome confirmed at the time of this analysis. This case illustrates a recurring problem in domestic violence enforcement. When officers face conflicting accounts, defaulting to arresting both parties can substitute for the harder work of identifying who actually started the physical contact. Florida law asks for that analysis specifically so victims aren't punished alongside the person who caused the harm. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions.